Anurag, can you please brief us what we people are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to conduct today? Some interesting quizzes are also.
Yes, ma'am. I'm good.
Yeah, okay. You spend your time Sunday here. So after this brief session, you will have some interesting quizzes also. You can participate. Please be here. Thank you so much.
So on today, we are not only going to conduct this session, we have also planned a quiz, and that quiz will be held from 1 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. And that is not related to IEEE and its part. It is related to all the general questions and professional and technological part. So we will do that also. So uh, I welcome you all in the awareness tribe of IEEE PSI different branch. So as you all can see the rows that are on the poster. So IEEE certificate branch is not the single entity that is working in the direction of technology, but we have also other affinity groups, societies and councils that are working in the same direction. So we have Y Affinity Group, we have SIGST, Computer Society, Robotics and Automation Society, Sensor Council, Nano Council, and Power and Energy Society. So with the amalgamation of all these things, IEEE PSI different branch works in the direction of success with the collaborative team. Himanshu, my voice is audible and slides are visible. Okay. So let us know that what is the mission and vision of IEEE. So IEEE mission is to include and involve all the students to excel into the innovation and be in the solution providers of the tomorrow by doing exemplary works into activities and research and innovations. So actually, what we are learning in our BTech and in our different education streams. So IEEE is giving you the platform to implement all these things with the collaborative team of all the different branches. And our goal is to bring out the best from students and enhance them in technical fields by providing them a platform, and a student of IEEE should be recognized for their research and contributions across the globe. So you can visit to the IEEE site and you can see what we are doing or what the basically whole IEEE team is doing across the globe. Our main motto is to enhance our career in the field of research and in the field of projects. And our vision is to the flagship of a student branch into implementing science and technology to problem around us and set new standards into innovations. So IEEE basically stand for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So it doesn't mean that we are only involving the team of electrical and electronics engineering, but we have the largest team of computer society, computer science background students. So IEEE is a professional association of electrical engineer, and its headquarters is at New York, New Jersey, and it was formed in 1963 from the amalgamation of American Institute of Electrical Engineers and the Institute of Radio Engineers. So without the help of mentors or without the help of guide, no one can do anything. So actually, we have a very good team of mentors who are ready to help us 24 into 7. So Dr. Aparna ma'am is our student branch counselor, and Dr. Anika Shukla ma'am is our coordinator of Y. Ms. Rashmi Chauhan ma'am is advisor of Computer Society, and Mr. Sawan Sharma sir is the advisor of Power and Energy Society. So this is our team of faculty who is just they are just guiding us in all of our projects, research, and in different events that we are conducting. So this is the list of office periods of IEEE PSIT student branch. So as I as a chair and Akhya Katiyar ma'am as a co-chair, Sakshi as a secretary, Akshita Gupta as a treasurer, and Anshika Singh ma'am as a webmaster. So IEEE student branch was basically started in 2018 with a team of 8 students. That was quite tough to start the IEEE PSIT student branch with the 8 students, but that was a great job that has been did by our seniors, and we are just making that data. So total IEEE members in IEEE PSIT student branch are more than 100, but currently we are working with more than 50 members. So let us know that what is the hierarchy of IEEE PSIT student branch. Actually, student branch is the smallest society of all the IEEE association. After student branch, we have the section in the terms of UP section, as the different states are in India. So all the states are termed as section. And after section, all the particular countries are termed in the form of region, or sorry, council. So as India is a separate council, after that we have regions, and in student branch we have affinity groups, student branch chapters, councils, and societies. This is the glimpse of our annual general meeting that was held in IIT Kanpur in 2020. After that, because of pandemic and all, we could not meet at physical things. So let us know the benefits of IEEE membership. So the first and biggest benefit of IEEE membership is that we can just increase our network with the technology and professionals. If we are only a BTech scholar in any campus, then our network is just limited to that particular campus and that particular branch in which we are. But when we are associated with the society like IEEE, then our network is just enhanced with all over the globe and all over the professionals in the different prestigious institutes like IIT and IT, and across the India as well. Second benefit of IEEE membership is to establish a professional profile, highlighting your accomplishment. So, how much we are and how much enough competent we are, that is being reflected by our profile. So, IEEE is giving us a platform to enhance our profile, and we can join and participate in various discussions in technical and in professional fields. And the biggest thing is that to work in a group is quite difficult. But in IEEE, we get such a team in which we get a very good collaboration of all. In when we are working in different projects or we are working in the different research, then we are getting a very good collaboration of all of us members. So our team spirit and leadership quality also enhances when we are joining any society like IEEE. And IEEE discover IEEE events and activities throughout the world. And we are just not only conducting the events in the limited phase of the particular things like in our PSIT or like in Kanpur or in UP, but we are also conducting the events at the level of national and international level. We are conducting the events. So we are also getting a sort of good experience that how to be connect with the professionals and how to deal with them. So IEEE PSHE student branch has some achievements at global levels. So first is that of undergraduate video project contest that was in the region 10, and we had won a $2,000 and a certificate from the side of IEEE region 10. And second, we have did a volunteering in IEEE Y project-based learning PVL camp, and that was also at international level. So these are some achievements of IEEE PSIT student branch. So as our branch counselor was nominated as a best student branch counselor across in our UP section in the year of 2021. And these are some achievements of our members. And this is the achievement of our student branch. My senior means he is in 4th year, and he has just developed a oxygen concentrator, and that is appreciated by our honorable chairman sir, and also appreciated by the different teachers, faculties in our college, and he is also a IEEE member of our PSIT. So either we are in physical way or not, but we haven't stopped our work. So we are continuously working to conduct the events and all. So virtually or physically, whatever the situation is and whatever the things we have, we are just utilizing of our, all of our resources that we have. So we are conducting regularly, we are conducting events on the virtual basis and also in physical basis. So IEEE is giving 50% off in membership. So actually, and it is for the limited period of time up to August 15, 2021 that this offer is limited. So student membership is of $13.5. That is around 1,000 for a student. So actually, it is not of 1,000, it is of 2,000, but IEEE is giving 50% off. So those who are interested can join the IEEE PSIT student branch, and they can just take a snapshot of this particular slide. Here the contact details are given. So you can contact directly to the given mail ID, or you can also contact to the Aparna ma'am for this directly. So that was all from my side. Thank you all. Utkarsh, you can continue on from. Before Utkarsh, I would like to invite our student branch counselor, Dr. Aparna Dikshit ma'am, to say some few words for our student branch and for all. Thank you. Aparna
Good
ma'am.
afternoon to all of you. So how are you, dear children? Is everything going well? I can expect more pain. Like I can understand your feelings. Like you are heavily engaged in different activities, like in projects, something on software or hardware, in different activities. Like in some, you were participating, I think, in some national or international competitions. Maybe I'm not pretty sure about that. You people are engaged or not, but right now you are missing that you can conduct suppose your institute open and then you can conduct a lot of activities, but it could not possible just because of this partial lockdown. Okay, so no issues, you can conduct via virtual platform. Okay, by using such WebEx platform, Zoom, Google Meet, or maybe. Okay, uh, you can't imagine. Actually, we people were heavily engaged in such activities because we are well connected with IEEE, and we know what is the utility of IEEE. Everybody knows what IEEE stands. At first, it was just only for electronics engineer. Okay, not electronics, electrical engineer. But when the society was expanding more and more, then the people thought we can increase the involvement of lot of engineers. Only one kind of students or community or domain cannot be engaged in such activities. So everybody should take part because now the world is changing. So this was established in the year of, I think 128 year or 130 year back, when Thomas Alva Edison basically invented a electrical bulb. Maybe I'm not sure about that. Uh, you can search out. Okay, but what does this platform basically give you people? We should think on it. Is there any facility of conferences? Is there any facility of some submission of like papers, research papers, good quality research paper, which are Scopus Index, how to write articles, how to write research papers, how to write news articles and different things. So you can have idea all to do under this platform. Okay, and time to time you will be basically invited by call for proposal in terms of some national or international. Okay, right now basically Region 10 has planned a lot of events and lot of call for proposal under the flagship of Women in Affinity Group, Computer Society, Robotics Society, and IAS Industry Application Society, right, and SIGST, which is for humanitarian. So they have planned a lot of things and given their date and have announced a lot of things. So our all of the student, like I think we are more than 50 students right now in our chapter in our student branch. All are heavily engaged in these uh, different projects, different calls for proposals, and in different events also, in different national or international hackathon also. So our team members have basically cracked international competition which were conducted by MIT, and the team leader was Akshita Gupta. She was leaded very well, and the same moment lot of students like Akhya Katiyar, who is co-chair, have she has selected in different communities which are coming under the platform of IEEE, SIGST, or STEM, IEEE STEM community like science, technology, and engineering, mathematics. Okay, so all these are engaged in so many activities. They are leading phase of lot of competitions. You know, now the month is July, and after that August, and then September, and then October. Now we are planning to conduct IEEE Day, which held in every year in the month of October. So we have to celebrate this IEEE Day in a very amazing manner. Okay, during this month of October. So I need your 100% participation. Okay, so you people can join with us because nowadays the membership fee is very less. It is 50% off. So in terms of dollar, if we see, I think in terms of rupee, we can see that it is almost 1,000 or 1,000, more than some 1,000 rupees. Okay, so it doesn't matter because we can spend this money. Just spending this money, we can win a lot of competitions. We can participate in conferences by writing proposals, by writing research papers also. Okay, so this is the way to think on right now. Not the time has come, the day has come, hour has come, minute has come, and the second has come. Please do participate here. Okay, you now this is my responsibility to announce one of our student Sakshi Arora and Harji Nagi. Their paper has been basically accepted under Global Humanitarian Technical Conference, which would held in the month of October in year 2021. So their paper has been selected under my supervision. So one is for oxygen concentrator and other is for basically sanitizer. Okay, so they were working out, not only these students, even our chair Anurag, they have received last year a big amount of $200 under one project, and the Sakshi has initiated a group of SIGST, so they received a seed fund for the project of sanitary napkin vending machine under their IEEE SIGST group during her tenureship. So these students are working a lot and they are getting some recognition at India level and R10 level. R10 level means Asia level and international level also, not only in India level or Asia level. Okay, so this is the way, this is the time now you may join us and you can have the same benefits. Okay, you can join our hands and you can do work. हमसे कंधा से कंधा मिला के चलिए और खूब ढेर सारा काम करिए, throughout the day and night. I am very sure you can do lot of things, like we have completed our task in oxygen concentrator, so you can also people do. Okay, so we have a good team of mentors who are basically belonging to US country, and they are working in Rochester section in US. So the people are basically recommending us just to do further work in future projects, so you can join with us. Okay, so this was just only from me. So very well, you people are conducting a lot of things under IEEE, all the office bearers and the faculty members also. But I am welcoming the students who are not still the member of IEEE, because we are now in the situation to make more than 100 IEEE members under this IEEE PSIT student branch. All the colleges, College of Engineering, BBA, BCA, all are connected with us very well. So you can take the benefits from us. Okay, we are basically a helping tool. We will support a lot of things. You know, there are some courses which are conducting by IEEE can have benefit of these courses. You are spending a lot of money, 7,000, 10,000 for these courses. But these courses are international courses, are very well recognized. So you may join these courses with 50% or 40% or 60% or 75% discount money. So you may join these courses once you join IEEE. Okay, so there is a facility of educational activities, educational groups. So under these groups, you may join a lot of courses, and like machine learning course, data science, quantum computing, okay, artificial intelligence. So you can do a lot of things there. I'm very sure you can do a lot of things there. You can organize some workshop which are very useful for you people in near future. And in the month of October, global event will be conducted, and that is extreme programming competition. It's a coding competition, so it's conducted by IEEE, and sponsors are Y Affinity Groups and SIGST. Computer Society is the mainly a sponsor, not a sponsor. They are conducting from the US. Okay, so you may join this activity just being a member of IEEE. Once you uh, are a member of IEEE society, PSIT group, then you can participate in this competition, because the ranking of this competition matters for your recruitment purposes. Okay, even IEEE provides recruitment also. There is a job site you can see on the website of IEEE, so you can have some job offers. You can train yourself with the help of these courses, and then you may appear for these job offers. Okay, so try to enhance your CV just by joining IEEE, having membership of IEEE. Then you can shape up your CV. This is our responsibility to shape up your CV. Okay, thank you so much. You may go on. Please, over to you, Anurag.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable and kind words. Now I would like to, Asta, you are in the meeting, so please share all the social media handles link in the chat box so that all the participants are stay connected with us. They can get all the information of our future events. So Utkarsh, you can continue with your presentation. I'm just sharing the slides.
Okay, भैया. So, good morning, all the teachers and all my dear friends. Today, we are talking about a society which is Census and Council. The IEEE Census and Council focuses on the theory, design, fabrication, manufacturing, and application of devices for sensing and transducing physical, chemical, and biological phenomena, with an emphasis on electronics, physics, and reliability aspects of sensors and integrated sensors actuators. The Council sponsors well recognized international conferences and publications. Now, we are talking about the ambition of our society. The main ambition of our society to encourage all the students to show their creativity and to improve their skills in the field of sensors, to improve their technical skills as well as enrich their leadership qualities. The mission of our society is to focus on the theory, design, fabrication, manufacturing, and the application of devices for sensing and transducing physical, chemical, and biological phenomena. These are all our office bearers. The Shubham Jaiswal as a co-chair, Priyansh Srivastav as a treasurer, Shriyansh Srivastav as a webmaster, Harsh Asthana as a secretary. Now, let's talk about what are the benefits of sensors in society. The benefits to join Sensor and Council are they delivers access to industry most essential technical information, networking, opportunities, career development tools, and many other exclusive benefits to its members. Thank you.
Thank, thank you, Utkarsh. Ashmit, you are in the meeting? Ashmit?
Yeah, Smith is there.
Uh,
Smith, can you hear us?
Ashmit, you are not audible.
Uh, you may proceed on.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Sakshi, you would like to share? All right. Sakshi,
No, Anurag, you share that, please.
okay, okay. Sakshi, you can carry on.
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. IEEE SITE. SITE is a special interest group on humanitarian technology, a global network of IEEE volunteer partnering with unserved communities and local organizations to leverage the technology for sustainable development. So basically, we work for the community using technology, and the office bearer of IEEE site, ESITR. I'm the chair, Anurag. I'm the chair, Sakshi Arora, and the vice chair is Anshika Dikshit. The vice chair is Mansi Gupta. Secretary is Prakriti Singh. Project coordinator is Harji Nagi. The treasurer is Janvi Sharma. So if I talk about the vision and mission of IEEE site, then the vision is to underserved the communities around the world are able to benefit from the technology as seek sustainable solution to develop challenges, and the mission of this special interest group on humanitarian technology program is to network a IEEE volunteer around the globe and partner with the unserved technology and communities and local organizations to leverage the technology for sustainable development. So, if you join IEEE site, then IEEE site offer many benefits. IEEE site humanitarian groups provide IEEE membership for free of cost, and this opportunity to work with a large community of volunteers around the world carrying out and supporting impactful humanitarian technologies activities on the local level. If I talk about the benefit from membership, then membership mean we get monthly newsletter providing latest updates on IEEE humanitarian projects and activities all over the globe. First notice of HAC and site funding opportunities. Third, we get to increase our connectivity with our site staff and other large network volunteering for IEEE site. So in IEEE site, we basically conducted many of the events, and Anurag. So the event poster of IEEE sites are we have conducted a quiz on humanitarian technology, a poster presentation competition, and a webinar on the topic of humanitarian innovation, the state of art. These were the event conducted from the last 3 months, and more of the events are coming on the way. I hope you will join IEEE site. Thank you.
You are ready?
Sakshi, is it over?
Yes, I'm Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it over, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Anurag, you can
So-
start with why.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Simran, you are in the meeting. Simran,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so you would like to start, so I can share your part.
Okay.
So,
So, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm gonna introduce you about the IEEE Power and Energy Society. The Power and Energy Society provides the world's largest forum for sharing the latest in technological developments in the electric power industry, for developing standards that guide the development and construction of equipment and systems, and for educating the members of the industry and the general public. The office bearers are Anurag Bhaiya. You may continue with the slides. Yeah. So the office bearers of the Power and Energy Society include Kushlesh Singh as the chair, Muskan Trivedi as the co-chair, Himanshu Verma is the webmaster, and Shivanshu Gupta is the treasurer, and I am the secretary of the Power and Energy Society. The mission and vision of the Power and Energy Society is the vision of the society is to achieve global standards in the field of electrical and electronics engineering to minimize the skill gap between the academics and industry. The mission of the society is to be the leading provider of scientific and engineering information on electric power and energy for the betterment of the society and the preferred professional development source for our members. Benefits of the Power and Energy Society include free subscription to the Power and Energy magazine, free digital subscription to Electrification magazine, and free access to over 1,000 technical reports, tutorials, videos, and presentations on the Power and Energy Resource Center. And talking about the events, these are some of the events which are organized by the Power Energy Society. The quiz on the PES and Internet of Things, and a quiz on energy revolution, and a webinar on economies of clean energy, a focus on affordability. And that's it. Thank you.
Warm greetings of the day to everyone. Now I, Prachi Singh, Chair of IEEE PSIT Y Affinity Group, would like to brief you all about
Prachi, sorry to
IEEE.
interrupt you. Please put it at presentation mode. I think so that it is not at presentation. Yeah, from here. Now it is fine.
So I would like to brief you all about IEEE Women in Engineering, which is one of the world's leader in changing the face of engineering. This global network connects nearly 20,000 members in over 100 countries to advance women in technology at all points in their life and career. The mission and vision is to facilitate the recruitment and retention of women in technical disciplines globally. It is a vibrant community of both men and women who use their diverse talents to innovate for the benefit of humanity. IEEE also pledges to work towards gender diversified panels at all IEEE meetings, conferences, and events, including its own events. According to the IEEE infographic, it highlights that majority of the infographics of the affinity groups, they are in India, China, and the Pacific Rim, followed by America, Europe, and the United States. These are the office bearers of IEEE PSIT Women in Engineering. Along with me as the chair, we have two vice chairs, Yashika Mishra and Manya Agarwal, Simran Kaur as a secretary, Astha Agarwal as a treasurer, and Ashmit Gupta as the webmaster. So IEEE Women in Engineering, it provides assistance with formation of new affinity groups, recognize the achievements of women in electrical and electronics engineering through IEEE award nomination, organize workshop, advocate women in leadership role, and it also promotes member grade advancement for women. It has IEEE PSITY has organized a significant number of events this year. These are the glimpses of the events that were organized on the occasion of International Women in Engineering Day that was on 23rd June 2021. 3 events were organized on that day, which include the article writing competition on most inspirational women of your life, quiz on women who have significantly contributed to society from technical background, and an interactive session which had 6 speakers, including our respected teachers and PSIT alumni. So IEEE offers a wide variety of benefits and discounts to its members. It provides discounted registration to international conferences, summits, access to award-winning IEEE Women in Engineering magazines, access to the bi-monthly Y newsletter, which will be sent to you on your email address, which you registered with IEEE. It has various scholarships and travel grants and volunteering opportunities as well. When you are a member, you have a lot of resources. You can even join IEEE Collaboratech, which is an online platform which allows women engineers, scientists, and educators from around the world to network and connect from various technical backgrounds. There are various IEEE apps and ebooks to inspire and empower young women to become engineers while celebrating the achievements of women in IEEE. So how can you join IEEE? If you are already an IEEE member, you can log in with your IEEE account and add IEEE Women in Engineering membership to it. If you are not an IEEE member, you can join IEEE as a professional first, because you must be an IEEE member in order to become an IEEE Women in Engineering member. And it is free to IEEE students, graduate student, and life members. So by becoming an IEEE member, you join a global network of IEEE members who have an interest in promoting women engineers and scientists and inspiring girls around the world to follow their academic interest and career in engineering and science. After all, women in STEM change the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Prachit. So, Ashwin, you are ready? Means there's no technical glitches at your end. I think if there is still a technical issues at your end, then Jessica can proceed.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. You can share your screen.
Yeah, I need SS to share.
Okay, okay, just time with time. Uh, you can share now.
Okay, भैया. भैया, is my slide visible?
Yes, perfectly visible.
Okay, भैया. Hello everyone, I am Asmit Gupta, Chair of IEEE Nanotechnology Council.
Ashwin,
Yes, भैया.
try to just conclude all these things not in a very much broader manner. Just try to conclude these things broader, because we have a lack of.
Okay, भैया. At Nanotechnology Council, we aim to develop critical assessment of existing work and future directions in nanotechnology research from every sector in the nanotechnology research field, with a special focus on materials and devices. Our vision at IEEE Nanotechnology Council focuses on the advancement and coordination of work in the field of nanotechnology. The Council is a group supporting the theory, design, and development of nanotechnology and its scientific, engineering, and industrial applications. Our mission is to enable nanotechnology engineering by building bridges among industry, academic, and government through education and networking. The chapter advocates continuing education and training for scientists and engineers in support of the nanotechnology-enabled convergence of nanoelectronics, nanomaterials technology, nanobiotechnology, and information technology. Our office bearers are Shishir Gupta as co-chair, Siddharth Tiwari as our secretary, Simran Kaur webmaster, and Yashika Mishra as our treasurer. Here are some benefits of joining IEEE Nanotechnology Council, which are like you get IEEE transactions on nanotechnology, transactions on nanobioscience, IEEE Nanotechnology magazine, and many other international conferences on nanotechnology, nanotechnology materials, and devices. Through the council-sponsored activities, participants have the opportunity to publish and collaborate on research, network with colleagues, stay current on news and events, develop standards, and participate in educational activities. This is some events. These are some two glimpses of the last event we did on July 3rd with our guest speaker Anupma Thakur. Thank you everyone. That's it for Nanotechnology Council.
Thank you, Ashwin. So, Himanshu, you would like to continue? So you can share your screen or I should. Okay. Thank you. Himanshu, you can proceed.
Okay, भैया. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Himanshu Verma, the co-chair of IEEE Computer Society, would like to continue the event to make you aware about the Computer Society, its mission and vision, and so on. The IEEE Computer Society shares a common interest in the field of computers and its applications. We work in the advancement of theory, practice, and application of computer and information. We used to organize various workshops and other events across the globe. The two councils which come under the Computer Society are the IEEE PSIT Nanotechnology Council and IEEE PSIT Sensor Council. Now, the mission and vision of the Computer Society. Bhaiya. So, coming to the mission of the Computer Society is to establish Computer Society technical activities as the preeminent forums for innovation, information, and services in current technical areas, and to extend computing technologies and applications into areas currently unexplored. The vision is to provide leadership and structure to enable and support interactions relating to technical innovation and the exchange of technical information and services for the benefit of providers and users of all aspects of computing technologies worldwide. The office bearers of Computer Society are Nitya Keshri as our chair, Jaya Gupta as co-chair, Ishita Jaiswal as secretary, Sakshi Arora as webmaster, and Asmit Gupta as the treasurer. Now, there are certain benefits of joining the Computer Society. That the Computer Society are the membership of sharpen your skills to boost your career by providing computer magazine, research papers, journals, and conference proceeding. May I please change the slide of benefits. IEEE Computer Society is offering $100 to $4,000 in the student scholarship. Many other awards that include both cash prizes and certificate are provided to the Computer Society members. Scholarships such as Richard E. Merwin and Epsilon Pi Epsilon for both undergraduate and graduate students to raise their academic achievement in future computer professional. This scholarship is of $100,000. Access to various competitions and hackathons, that is IEEE Extreme, that is being hosted on international level. Now, coming to the events which we organized in our recent months. Bhaiya. So in recent month we have organized some of our events. Firstly, we have organized a series of hackathon, that is Code Chronicles, which is being conducted on a platform of coding blocks. And after that, we have organized a webinar on the topic of introduction to open source, where our eminent speaker Santosh Yadav tells us about the various opportunities in the open source contribution, how to get started in open source contribution, what all the technologies you need to learn for starting the contribution in open source, and many more informative ideas related to the topic. So that's all for the Computer Society. Thank you all for your patience listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu. So we have left with the presentation of RAS. All the presentations we can accept RAS. So Kunal is in the meeting or not?
We have a share.
Hello. Oh, Asta, you will share. Asta, you will present.
May you share? I will.
Okay, okay, okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Astha Agrawal, am the co-chair of IEEE Robotics and Automation Society. Ambition of our society is to encourage and enable students to utilize and enrich their creative and engineering skills through robotics so as to imbibe technical skills, teamwork, and leadership in them. Our mission is to foster the development and facilitate the exchange of scientific and technological knowledge in robotics and automation that benefits members, the profession, and humanity. The office bearers of our society are Kunal Sharma as chair, Chalas Srivastav and me as co-chair, Panya Agrawal as secretary, Divyansh Khare is also as secretary, Mansi Gupta as treasurer, and Prakriti Singh is also as treasurer. Mansi Yadav and Anshika both are as webmasters, and Sneha Gupta is also a webmaster. Robotics and Automation Society is here defined to include intelligence, machine, and systems, whereas automation includes the use of automated methods in various applications and productivity. It focuses on the both applied and theoretical issues in robotics and automation. The society sponsors a number of conferences, including the annual International Conference on Robotics and Automation.
After this is the last slide. So this is all from side of ours.
Thank you.
So thank you all the chairs and other respective members of different societies, affinity groups and councils. So now I would like to give a special vote of thanks to our Western Branch Councillor and our mentor, Dr. Aparna Dikshit ma'am, and to all the faculties, Dr. Anita ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, and Saul sir, for their regular guidance and 24/7 support for us, different projects and proposals and all the technical things. Because without the help of teachers, we are nothing and we cannot accomplish any task. So thank you, ma'am. And at last, because without the help of participants, we are unable to conduct the session. So I would like to give a special vote of thanks to all the respective audience who have taken out their precious time to join this session. And we will surely do this the same type of sessions, and we will increase what the ambiguities we have did in this session. We will try to do that. So you all are required to just give your feedback that what was the experience of you was. We will surely get a long series of sessions. Thank you. For now, I would like to invite Dr. Aparna. Aparna ma'am, would you like to
Yes, Anurag.
just
So now the quiz is over and all the presentations are over. Huh?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have completed all the things from our side.
Okay. So thank you so much for being with us, dear participants. Do join us. So I'm definitely sure you people will join us, and this is the moment when we can do fun in this hard time of pandemic, when you are at your home, not available at your institution, where you played and you were basically doing a lot of things. Sit with your friends among faculty members and lot of discussions. I am sure you are missing all out, but we are giving this platform to discuss everything with your faculty members, with your community, and you can do the joint meetings with your students, with your friends. There you can propose some idea where you can showcase your talent just by conducting multiple number of events in the coming months. So thank you so much for being with us. Very well coordinated, the team of office bearers. Thank you so much, Anurag and your team. So you have well conducted this event. So I'm sure we will conduct new things in the next month in this awareness session. So we have to make it meaningful and just raise the members more than 100, so that we should be a topmost branch of we can become a topmost branch of UP section. Okay, so this is our motto, this is our objective, right? Okay, so can we do?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Is there any
Aditya
hope?
ma'am is with us, so
Sorry.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. So can we have photographic session? Can we capture this
Yes.
moment? Yes, please.